Actually, I'm talking to a lawyer.
Okay.
Then I haven't actually told him.
Yeah.
But I keep
Now he
saying,
has.
keep saying that okay, it needs to be done by certain day.
Yes.
But then he's been pushing it a few times.
Yeah. Does he have a contractor's license?
We thought he did.
Hey everybody. About a year ago, I'd say, I met with a gentleman from Bigger Pockets, and like I do, I give him all the information that I can. Within the hour meet that we meet together, and he buys me lunch. And anyways, he said that he wanted to start flipping, so I gave him all the information, and I even gave him my free flipping course. And I said, okay, this is not something that you get into right away. You need to read about it. You need to learn about it. If you want some more hands-on training, let me know. I'm happy to help you. So anyways, a few days ago, I get a call from the same guy. And he goes, hey, do you remember me? And I go, yeah, I remember you. And he goes, well, I did buy a flip. It's a triplex in Los Angeles. And we hired a contractor, and we pulled permits, and the guy's in there getting permits and stuff. And this was about 8 months ago. And I've been paying him all along. And I go, okay, I kind of know what you're going to say. And I go, how much have you paid him? He says, well, unfortunately, I put it on automatic pay, and so I paid him everything that I owe him, but he's still like a month or two away from finishing, and now he doesn't want to come back. And I talk about this in my course about not paying ahead the contractors, because they'll ghost you. That's what happens. So anyway, so he asked me if I would get involved and go over there, take a look at the project, and either find out how much it's going to cost to finish the rehab so that he could sell it. He was thinking about just keeping it and leasing it as well. But anyways, that's where we're headed. We're headed over to LA to a triplex. Get on the freeway here. We're headed over to the triplex to see what kind of condition it's in, how much work needs to be done, and how much it's going to cost him to finish this project. Hi, my name is Joe Homs, and I flipped hundreds of homes here in Southern California. I have over 40 years of experience. I've been a broker, mentor, and investor, and I want you to like, subscribe, and share this content with your friends. Who knows if it's an actual triplex or they're converting it into a triplex? How are you?
Good. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is Alex. This is my business partner.
Hi. So, we have this project. Like, we bought this house like 2 years ago. It took years to get the permit ready for. And then we found a general contractor to help us remodel this place.
Okay.
But it was supposed to be done last September, but we had some issue with H passport, so it was delayed for a few months.
Okay.
And then, like when we're ready to finish it, our contractor is just, is not very responsive. So we're left with like things that are not done. So I just wonder if you can help us look at it and see how we can push through this project.
Okay.
And maybe get us some referral for.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Do you plan on doing anything with the roof?
The back looks fine. It's the front doesn't look nice. I wonder, if we can do, if we can just do half of it, but then if we do half of it, it may affect the other side.
You could always paint it.
paint the roof?
Yeah.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Yeah. There's companies that do that. If there's no damage, I don't know. I can't see from here very close, but is there damage on this side?
I mean, like it didn't. I didn't see any leak like from the storm, so it doesn't
Okay.
seem like anything is leaking. So
Okay.
it just doesn't look very nice
Yeah.
here. So
Is there a garage in the back?
yes, there is a garage, but then it's not usable. I think the previous owner blocked their entrance.
Okay.
So
So there's no way to get to the garage.
Oh, we can get there.
A car.
Oh, the car can't get in.
Car can't get in.
Yeah, because the previous owner
Okay.
actually blocked.
And was this a triplex to begin with,
It was.
or you're converting it into a triplex?
It was a triplex, but then like for in this house originally, this is like a 4-bedroom in the front, and then this back corner, that's a studio. So
Okay.
I'm reconfiguring it into a 4-bed unit and a 3-bed unit
Okay.
in the back. So
Okay.
to make it more better for the tenants, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay. Well, let's take a look.
yeah.
See what we got. Plan on doing anything with the windows, or are they going to stay like they are?
This is a historic house, so I can't really change.
Okay.
I
Got
want to
it.
replace them, but then I can't. There are a few windows that were broken that I wanted to replace them, but HPOS said no. So I had to like tailor made like a few windows for.
Okay. So it looks like he has been working in here. Wow, that's a lot of lights.
Yeah. So the thing is, I mean, he sent someone here on Wednesday finally to this measurement in the kitchen. So
Okay.
but then he just never tell us like when he's gonna finish it. So it's been like this like on and off. So I don't want to just keep waiting for him. I want to have a plan B. So that if he actually quit suddenly, I have something. I have another plan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is where the kitchen's going to be?
Yeah. So we have this measurement here. So
Uh-huh.
trying to do like an L shape.
Okay. You got the gas. You got looks like it's 220 electric down there, and then you got the sink over here. You got the range right there,
Yeah.
and the hood going up.
Yeah.
Lots of lights. Wow, lots of lights. Okay, so now this is one unit.
This is one unit.
Okay,
Like
and
this,
then-
so the living room is here, and then everything else for this unit is upstairs.
Okay.
And then the other unit is like an L shape around like.
Another bedroom. That the same closet or different?
It's next to each
Side-
other.
yeah,
but
side
then
by side.
It's like it's not connected. Yeah, these are the two windows I had to redo. So
Mm-hmm.
I had to find someone to make these windows fit into this non-traditional size.
Your furnace is up there.
That's the AC.
Yeah.
Unit. But then we're missing the condenser. We need
Outside.
Outside. So
Yeah.
we will need a condenser
Yeah.
to finish.
Probably the last thing you want to do, because
Yeah.
not somebody's gonna steal it.
Yeah.
Okay, so on this one, really all I see is that he needs to finish the kitchen downstairs. Is that correct?
Yeah, kitchen, bathroom, and
You know what Section 8 is?
yeah.
Section 8 housing, if you do Section 8 housing, they're going to say, no, you can't do that. You have to put a regular deadbolt there.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. And then your smoke detector, is that a carbon monoxide as well?
Yes.
Okay. And then each room needs to have one as well?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go to the other one now. I think, honestly, I think you're doing really good here with the contractor. You just have to keep pushing him
Okay.
to get this done.
Yeah.
Yeah, like literally just give him a time frame. Say, you know, this needs to be done. Have you kind of threatened to sue him?
I actually am talking to a lawyer.
Okay.
Then I haven't actually told him.
Yeah.
But I keep.
Now he has.
I keep saying that okay, it needs to be done by certain day.
Yes.
But then he's been pushing it a few times. Since.
Yeah. Does he have a contractor's license?
We thought he did, but and
okay.
not like so the license number he gave us like is related to a construction company, but then we thought it was his, and he thought that he said he has a partner in that company, so we thought that like that's part of his company, but then it ended up the license, and like when we tried to talk to a lawyer, so before we did that we looked at his license again, but then his license was not active when we looked at it. So, and then now he gave us like a different story, and then he was like, "Oh, I told you I don't have an active license," but then I'm like, I just heard it from you.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And you did get permits, correct?
Yeah, the permit is I pulled the.
Okay,
permit,
you did all that.
Yeah.
Have they been? You should have like a yellow card here someplace, where the city comes and signs off things as you're working on it.
When I got the permit, they didn't give me a card, but then like the inspector told me that he can just put it online. So
okay, so, but that's been happening.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
He said he has been putting it online. So, but
okay. Make sure you check.
Okay.
Okay. Here, I'll let you do that. Get it. And the same thing here, kitchen, looks like that's the washer and dryer over there. And then the kitchen's gonna be over here.
This one
okay, so this is more original. This is like you bought it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Cockroaches and stuff like that. Yeah.
Get clear up. So.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then that's the garage back there.
The garage.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, like honestly, you're really close on finishing those over there. Yeah. So that's what I would concentrate on, is finishing those. Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't know if you've ever seen this before, but this is required. So you have bars outside. Again, if you have a fire in here, if they're permanent, you can't get out. So that's the purpose of this. You pull this down and it's on a hinge. It releases it and it pulls it out and you can get out. That's what that's there for. Now, you think they would let you convert this into like an ADU?
Yeah, we actually had planned to convert it. We were about to submit it to the city. But we decided to do that first before.
Yeah, no, it's a good idea. You should. Yeah, definitely push him, the contractor, push him as much as you can to get this thing done, because honestly, you're really close. I've got a guy that I can recommend to you. If he's not going to do it, then let me know and I'll send you his contact information, and he can come out, take a look at it. But you really need to do the cabinets, all the cabinets wherever they're going to go, in the bathrooms as well. Just like the plans, same thing.
Okay.
and then have them install them, which is fine. And then the guy that I refer you to, he can pretty much do the rest. You're not that far away, honestly.
Okay.
You're really close.
Right.
You're super close. So I would just continue to push your guy to get it done, and see where it goes from there. And you can tell him, hey, I'm tired of pushing you. Just be honest with him. I'm tired of pushing you. I've been talking to an attorney. I don't want to do an attorney. I don't want to sue you, but you just need to get it done.
I should tell him that I don't want him to scare him more, that he just disappeared completely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
I mean, that's always possible. He's kind of disappeared now.
Right now he's still responding, it's a delayed response, but then he's still responding. But then I don't know if I tell him that I want to sue you, and then he just disappear. But then
that's a chance you have to take, I guess.
Okay.
When you're ready, it's up to you. It's your decision, but I would definitely keep pushing him and see if he can get out here and get this stuff done. You're super, super close. You're very close to getting all this stuff done. Okay.
Yeah.
You need anything else?
No, I think it's good that I got some input from you. Now I kind of know how to push it forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, but thank you very much for.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Thank you. Yes, thank you for meeting us out here. It's going to be good. You're really close. You're really close. You just need to push him a little bit more to get this done, and then you can rent it out. Then you have money coming in, to make your mortgage payment, and hopefully a little bit more, and then you can do this one at a leisurely pace.
Do you have any?
And not hire him.
Do you have any referral for landscaping?
I do.
We've been talking to HPOS. They have specific thing want us to do for the landscape, but for now they let us just put mulch for now, and then, we can plan the stuff they want later. So,
okay.
So
I will text you my landscaper.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can get together with him. Now remember, landscaping is very expensive. Very expensive to do. So it depends on what you want to do.
Yeah, right now we're just planning to just put mulch.
Okay.
All over.
Okay.
For now, and then we'll deal with the plan later.
Okay. I'll text you his information.
Oh.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anybody else that you want me to refer you to, just let me know, and then I'll text you their information. But like I said, you're super, super close to getting this thing done. Hopefully this guy says, okay, let's get this done and out of my way and move on to the next person. Okay, well, nice to meet you. And again, if you need any help, I'll send you my landscaper right now. To both of you, I'll send you his information, and then you can reach out to him, and he'll come out, take a look, and give you a price.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, thank you.
Okay, take care.
Thanks for coming.
Okay.